Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See in this problem, here a capacitor, that is 5 microfarad capacitor, is connected across a voltage source, that is 10 cos of 6000 t volts. Now how can you find the current I of t which was passing through the 5 microfarad capacitor? This is the problem. For finding current in the capacitor, we need to know two concepts. That is, first of all we need to know what is the voltage and current relation for the capacitor. That is the first thing. So next thing is we need some basic knowledge how to differentiation any function. So we need the differentiation. So first of all, what is the relation between voltage and current for the capacitor? So that is current I of t equal to C into dV by dt. Now substitute C value and V value here. Means C value is multiplied and derive the voltage equation with respect to t. So that is C is 5 microfarad. That is 5 into micro means 10 power minus 6 into d by dt of voltage function is given as 10 into cos of 6000 t. Here 10 is the constant value. So bring it outside and it becomes, so 5 into 10, 50. So 50 into 10 power minus 6 into d by dt of cos of 6000 t. So we know that d by d theta cos theta equal to minus sin theta. So this is the differentiation. So it was in the standard form. Now apply this formula, then we get, so 50 into 10 power minus 6 keep as it is into, so for this it becomes minus sin 6000 t. Here 6000 t is again function of t. So again differentiate it. It becomes into 6000. So it becomes minus of 50 into 6000 into 10 power minus 6 into sin 6000 t. This is current I of t. Now simplify this. By further simplification we will get I of t equal to minus 0.3 sin of 6000 t amperes. So this is the current equation for the given problem. So whenever the voltage and capacitance is given here and asking that current, so this is the way of process for simplification of current. So and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.